The one thing that makes Domino's absolutely irresistible is the cheese garlic bread. With cheese oozing out of it, you can taste all the heavenly herbs that make it special. How about I tell you how you can make this marvel right in your kitchen? You are going to need all-purpose flour, butter, garlic paste, lukewarm water, yeast, salt, sugar, dried herb, oil, mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. Start with adding all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add yeast, salt and sugar. Mix it all together. To this, further add a tablespoon of oil and lukewarm water to make the dough. Dried herbs are to be added next to dough. Let the dough rest for about 1 hour to make sure it is soft and supple. Dust flour on the baking tray and place the well-rested dough on it. Now spread the dough evenly in a round shape on the baking tray using a rolling pin. Brush the dough with the mixture of butter, garlic and mixed herb. Grate some mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. Fold the rolled dough in the shape of a half moon. Seal the edges evenly by applying pressure with your fingertips. Make vertical sharp cuts using a knife. Brush up some more garlic, herb and butter mixture. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 18 to 20 minutes. In little time, cheesy garlic bread is ready for you to enjoy. That's all for today guys. See you in the next video.